Shenzhou is located in Foshan Nanhai. Foshan City has a good reputation as a hometown of aluminium. We are a professional manufacturer of aluminium alloy casting equipment and consumable, like melting furnace, holding furnace, regenerative burner system, homogenized furnace, refining flux, Dross agent, melt treatment agent. There are 4 aluminium refining flux grade 4, different requirement of refining level of the molten metal. We have to do type of packing, that is the carton box packaging and plastic bag packaging. Please give us a like and follow our channel. Thank you.